Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can delete your Kling AI account. So guys, after logging your account, if I go to my profile, as you can see here, I didn't see any option to directly delete my account. So guys, what you have to do, just go to here and go to contact us, and you have you can send email via Kling show, and you can send him how you can delete your account, and you probably delete my account. You can send via Discord, contact via Discord or Twitter or YouTube. Just scan this code, guys, and you can reach the support team and you can ask him. And if I go to Google check, you can delete account or now, as you can see here, Kling AI delete. As you can see here, delete account. As you can see here, guys, privacy policy, I check this option to delete account. You can log in, read this, just guys write this article and you can help you to delete account. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.